Mauryan Empire's relations with other powers. During its peak, the Mauryan Empire had interactions and relations with various other powers in and beyond the Indian subcontinent. Here are some notable examples. Seleucid Empire. The Mauryan Empire and the Seleucid Empire, which encompassed much of present-day Iran and Central Asia, had significant diplomatic interactions. The most famous contact was between Chandragupta Maurya and the Seleucid ruler, Seleucus I Nicator. They concluded a treaty that established friendly relations and facilitated the exchange of ambassadors, trade, and cultural influences. Hellenistic Kingdoms. The Mauryan Empire had diplomatic ties with various Hellenistic kingdoms, which were influenced by Greek culture and ruled over parts of modern-day Afghanistan and Western India. These kingdoms, such as the Greco-Bactrian and Indo-Greek kingdoms, interacted with Mauryan rulers through diplomacy, trade, and cultural exchanges. South Indian Kingdoms. The Mauryan Empire had contact with several powerful South Indian kingdoms during its rule. While the exact nature of these relations may vary, there were instances of alliances, vassalage, and trade between the Mauryans and prominent South Indian dynasties, such as the Cholas and the Pandyas. Achaemenid Empire. Before the rise of the Mauryan Empire, the Achaemenid Empire, based in Persia, exerted influence over parts of northwest India. The Mauryans, under Chandragupta Maurya, successfully challenged and overthrew the Achaemenid rule in the region, which led to the formation of the Mauryan Empire. Kingdom of Kalinga. The conquest of the Kingdom of Kalinga by Emperor Ashoka marked a significant turning point in Mauryan history. The brutal war and subsequent incorporation of Kalinga into the Mauryan Empire not only expanded its territory but also had a profound impact on Ashoka's personal transformation and his adoption of Buddhism. Regional powers. The Mauryan Empire had engagements with various regional powers and indigenous tribes within the Indian subcontinent. These interactions ranged from military campaigns to diplomatic alliances and trade agreements. The Mauryans sought to consolidate their authority and control over different regions, sometimes through warfare and other times through peaceful means. When discussing the Mauryan Empire's relations with other powers, it is important to consider that historical accounts and available evidence might have limitations and variations, leading to different interpretations.